Tier fully packed out to this, of course, a weekday evening. But those that have decided
Forest to be able to link up with the front players, and two players does that very well, Mbata and Dlamini. Obviously, Makaula C.
with the formation.
It's a diamond in that middle of the park. It's four, and it's Kibo seats, and then Aliki.
The side that denied them invincible status at the end of last season, as we get sides have all produced a winner. Someone has emerged with the 3 points as Galaxy get on the front foot here. They were the team of last season. The Rockets have not won since. Orlando Pirates. So from the set piece, there's a big opportunity that's once again, along with Evidence Makgopa, as Nkota gets on the ball, slipping it through here for Makgopa. Still Makgopa looking to lay it off. Dlamini was just lurking on the edge of the area where he loves to position.
Come down slightly just to get a better grip of the game.
Lovely work initially from Puso Ditijani. And then shots flies wide.
Win a single game in the 4 that they played. But like you said, a team that you'll expect maybe to play with a little bit of fear against Orlando Pirates, and they've been failed.
Into the park here of Bafokeng. Rescue from Evidence Makgopa.
I'm sure he'll find himself scoring a whole lot more than he has scored so far. If Makgopa does get his calmness and composure in front.
That's Bafokeng. Beautifully. Talented Bata, and it's fly! Oh, excellent! An astonishing effort from Talented Bata. It's just his second club goal of his career. A man who has been making a habit of scoring with the national team, bringing a little bit of that to Orlando Pirates.
You got to agree with me that the build-up to that goal was certainly, I think, very, very exciting. But to think that Mbata had the vision to see that the goalkeeper was a little unsighted, that for me takes a special player. Ignites the appetite for other players as well to try and make those attempts from some distance.
Dlamini asking of Mbata again. Gets himself into a good area, waiting for the return.
Into that box as he waits and expecting the ball to come through. That's the other ability I was talking about. His speed, his dash of...
Taking shots and then was susceptible on a few occasions to allowing the opposition to come back in. Here's a quarter! Just wouldn't come down for him in time.
See the run from Nkota and just net the ball, and that ball nearly just drops behind the goalkeeper.
In their last match against Gallants. This is a good opportunity. Oh!
He made a dash in front of him. Ball just evades everybody.
And realized no one was coming in at the back post.
Had Paul realized that Hot was going to let the ball go.
United. Now he has some serious defensive work to do against him. Memories. Won the Nedbank Cup here last season as the ball goes out to Dion Hotto, and that's why he wanted that clean sheet. A clean sheet against SuperSport. He wanted another against Amazulu as Makaula. It's a goal from range. Goes down. The last couple of campaigns, the last Elias Makwana last season. This is a chipper. Evidence Makgopa, well, he was perhaps thinking it's a second away match in the league this season. There's Dlamini's delivery. Oh! Was initially repelled to...
He's trying to basically allow the ball to land beautifully so that he can strike it at the same time on the volley. It's a typical ball because he's backpedaling.
Got it. Velasi strides away. Ditijani playing it into Khadebes. Came down well.
Had China decided to let that ball...
That was an ill-advised trick in a terrible area. And then from that... Well, they'll look to create here with Mahlangu. Lovely touch from Makgopa. Nkota! Oh!
Velase is trying to drag him off, put him off balance, and Kota just decide that, you know what, I'm going to give it as much as I can give.
Space and plenty of it. But it's Antonio. Well, he did.
That actually have been the easiest part. I mean, he easily gets the defender off his part, just allows it to roll into the back of the net. He skews the side foot way away from the...
Bursting onto it is Makopa. At the whistle. The man seeking out Matlang. Is a debut. And come here. No, not hit it quite far enough away. Other competitions, though, total of 7 appearances. Lifted in really well. Attacks by Demand. Well, both games between these two last season ended 1-0, both for the hosts. As Mufokeng! Well, after celebrating his 20th birthday, we can no longer refer to it.
You don't have to walk the ball into the back of the net. You can shoot. Yeah, it's a... Velase that loses ball control. Oh, that's a... Oh, it's a beauty. Top corner in that fashion. They've been trying to find the pass that will matter. It hasn't been happening. Mbata scored from...
Kabin.